This video shows how you can duplicate an existing MI Pro materials data record by downloading a copy of the record, editing it in Microsoft Excel, and then importing this workbook to create a new, in-house record. Open the data sheet for the record you want to duplicate, then click Duplicate using Excel. This will download an Excel workbook. All of the data from the original record is included in this duplicate record. Enter the name of the new material, and edit any other data as required. Then save the workbook and close it. Go to the Import app. Click to browse for the Excel file, or drag it into the panel, then click Import. Now return to the Explore app, and perform a hard refresh to reload the data. Then, find and view the new material to confirm the data was added correctly. If the new material is preferred, it will now be available to CAD and CAE users in the MI Pro web application, and in the MI Materials Gateway application.